Welcome to Wild World News.
What is happening, Magnus? I got some more Wild World News for you. And after this, I'm going to take a look at the speeches given by Joe Biden and Donald Trump. Now, I don't understand this. Remember, a lot of you send me these stories and you want to know my thoughts on them. Excuse me. And I've always been apolitical. I've always been very neutral and stood on the sidelines. Never watched the debates, anything. Never watched the news for the election. The most I ever watched was when there was that whole debacle with Bush. And with that election, and when Barack Obama was running, I watched a little. I remember that because I was like, oh shoot, a black guy might actually win. Oh my God, you know what I mean? So, but I don't exactly know all the time how the elections go, how the votes are counted, how long it's going to take, how long should it take, how long will it take, how long is it supposed to take. I don't know all these things. So let's talk about this. New Jersey won't start counting votes cast in person until a week after Election Day. That doesn't make sense to me. I don't understand that. Aren't we supposed to know within less time who the president of the United States is? And they won't start. I don't understand it. It says here, New Jersey election officials won't count ballots cast in person on Election Day until at least November 10th. A state official confirmed Monday. The Board of Elections will count all mail-in ballots first, and vote-by-mail ballots postmarked by November 3rd can arrive through November 10th and be counted, officials said. New Jersey counties won't have a complete list of all mail-in ballots until November 10th. More than 3.5 million New Jersey residents have already voted. Governor Phil Murphy said Monday the number is 90% of the entire voter turnout in the 2016 presidential election. All votes cast in person will be cross-checked against mail-in ballots to avoid voter fraud. The Trump campaign had tried to stop New Jersey's mail-in ballot program. They claimed it would lead to fraud. And that's the end of that story right there. So I don't understand. Like, really? You have to wait that long? Help me out here. Guys, help me out and let me know how this process is going to go. Because I could have sworn that, I feel like I remember in, like, with that thing with Bush, like, people assume the victory sometimes or whatever. Or, you know what I mean? Like, people ain't even done counting and they assume the victory. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a whole lot of shit going on with that one. I remember. So I'm making this video. I'm talking about it because y'all have sent it to me. But I need to know, straighten me out. Help me to understand how it could take this damn long. Anyway, because I don't, like I said, I don't really pay attention to politics like that. But post your comments down below and let me know what you think. Help a brother out. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers. Woo.